A sudden burst of heavy rain in India-administered Kashmir has killed at least 46 people. More than 200 are missing in the town of Chashoti, according to a Reuters report citing local officials. Footage shared on social media showed flash floods caused by the rain, turning roads into raging rivers. In one of the videos, water, mud and debris could be seen rolling down the mountainside. Rescue operations are ongoing, with army and police personnel working to find those missing. Some of the rescued people have been taken to hospitals.